Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about importance of sharing. Number 1. Sharing means giving a part of what we have to others. Number 2. Sharing is a good habit. Number 3. It makes everyone happy. Number 4. Sharing helps us make friends. Number 5. It teaches us to be kind. Number 6. Sharing shows that we care. Number 7. It spreads love and joy. Number 8. It helps us build trust. Number 9. Sharing makes the world better. Number 10. A sharing person is a caring person. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.